I made this viral AI video for free using Grok AI and my method. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can do the same for free and in under 5 minutes. So if you want to generate your own AI videos, watch the video until the end. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if this video gets 50 likes, I'm gonna show you the second best way to generate viral AI videos for free. And finally, the most important, join our free AI newsletter where you will get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you will get the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Let's start. The first thing that we're gonna do is to head over ChatGPT, and you're gonna put the master prompt in the description. What the master prompt does is that it's gonna generate you 5 video ideas, then you will choose between the 5 and it will generate you a prompt to create an image, and then we will finally create the video based on the image we created. So now we are at step 1 and it gave us 5 different ideas to create our AI videos. You can ask ChatGPT to give you more ideas for the videos, and I'm gonna choose the 5, which is the metal door. Then you just put in the prompt the number 5 and you click on enter. Now it's gonna generate the prompt to create the image. As you can see, the created prompt is very detailed and optimized, and you're gonna head over to Gemini to create the image. You can go on gemini.google.com/app and you can click on tools, create image, and you can choose your own style. So I'm gonna choose oil painting and finally put the image prompt. Once you've done this, you can click on submit. And now it's saying loading Nano Banana 2, which is currently the best model to create AI images. Right here, we have our image. And as you can see, it's a very good quality and you're gonna download it. You click here on download full size. Once you've downloaded the image, you have to go back on ChatGPT and put the prompt step 3. And then click on submit. ChatGPT will now create the video prompt, again detailed and optimized for us. You have to copy the prompt and go on grok.com. And then right here, you have the button Imagen. You click on this button and then you can put your prompt. Once you've included your prompt, then you have to include the image we generated with Nano Banana 2. If you click on this button, you can choose many different settings, such as the video length, the resolution, the aspect ratio, and whether it's a video or an image. So we're gonna click on video, we're gonna keep the 6 seconds, this resolution, and we're gonna change the aspect ratio to 9:16. And then you can click on submit. As you can see, the video is now being generated. The video is now generated, and of course you can create many different videos with the same style or with different objects. For example, you can clean the door with a spray or with the soap that goes down like this. You can do whatever you want, you just have to include it in your prompt. As you can see, the video is very good. I took the exact same video, but now I changed the prompt asking it to have a spray bottle instead of just soap going on the door. And you can give much more details and you have a lot of control over the videos that you generate. As you can see in this video, the door is getting cleaned much more than in the first one, but you can see that you can really do whatever you want. As you can see, you're gonna be able to create as much videos as you want for free using Grok AI, and it only takes a few minutes to generate a video. Hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.